Hello everyone, Olivia here, your pretty and maarteng astrologer and tarot reader is back with another video. And for today's video, let's do a love reading para sa mga singles. So kung single ka, tapos ready ka nang kumilala, makipag-usap, makipag-date, open ka na for love, this reading is for you. And for all zodiac signs na rin ito. So let's see kung anong messages or paparating guidance sa'yo ng baraha when it comes to your love life. But before we proceed, I would like to say thank you to all new followers and subscribers sa aking mga social media accounts. Thank you everyone. And sa mga gustong sumali sa pa-free reading sa aking TikTok account, nasa description po ang aking social media. I am active there. So, yeah, visit nyo na lang and see you there. Pero mas nag-upload ako ng exclusive reading ng bawat zodiac sign dito sa channel, YouTube channel na ito. So, watch out as well. Let's do this. Love reading para sa mga singles only. We got the Hierophant, 10 of Wands, 8 of Swords, the World, 10 of Wands, the Hanged Man, 5 of Wands. This is a love reading again for singles, guidance, na messages for all singles only. Kung ready ka na sumabak ulit sa love life, ito yung video para sa'yo. King of Wands, Judgment, the Wheel of Fortune, uy, the Emperor, Queen of Wands rather, 5 of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, and 7 of Swords. Okay, thank you. Let's proceed. Ang una ko nakita sa baraha mo, kung ikaw ay single and open, may makikilala kang someone who can lead the relationship. There is a potential here that this person, pwedeng makilala mo siya sa iyong work field. Possibly, there's this someone, or pwedeng ikaw to, or pwedeng ito yung sitwasyon na maaring maging rason kung bakit kayo magkikita. Someone na nagwo-work sa pagiging teacher or coach related sa pagtuturo or guide. There's also somebody here na very secure siya when it comes to yung lifestyle, life status niya. Very hardworking, someone who can really handle material things, who can make and grow wealth. Yung alam mo yung ganong estado ng buhay. So if you are looking for someone na ngayon, and ikaw yung tipong tao na parang ikaw yung gumagawa ng paraan to make the relationship work, this person, may makikilala ka that can balance that energy of yours. But then again, for some of you here, meron pa dito, still, hirap na kumilala ng buo. Yung nagtatry ka naman, kumakausap ka, nakikipaghalubilo ka, but then again, andun pa rin yung fear and doubts mo. But, ayun nga, may makikilala kang someone who can really lead and be passionate, someone who are active physically, but then again, there is this lack of communication, especially that this person is mas pinapakita niya yung love niya through actions, pero hindi sa pag-verbalize or pag-communicate nito. You are someone also na very connected sa intuition mo. Minsan, nga lang, nababalewala mo siya kasi mas nauuna yung actions mo dito. Kaya nagkakaroon ka ng conflict decision making. You have to also listen to your intuition. If yung person ba ngayon na makikilala mo is someone who can really match your vibe, or you're just obsessed doon sa potential na yan. And if you're someone na very stubborn when it comes to getting to know. So yeah, if you're someone na very into their actions, yung alam mo yung head first, medyo it's time for you to really listen to your intuition. It's time for you to listen to the universe, go see naman higher self na, or higher being na pinaniniwalaan mo. And make sure that you and this person, although ayun nga, gaya na sabi ko, knows how to lead, knows how to be passionate, to take actions sa relationship nito. Make sure that you and this person really merong open na communication. Kasi there's a potential or possibility here rather na magkakaroon ng difficulties sa pakikipag-communicate. So, again, if you are open and actively seeking, dating, connecting sa iba't ibang person, make sure na hindi lang siya dala ng bugso ng damdamin mo, that you are fully open. Again, communication and mental health, and of course, financial and spiritual health wise. So, this is your reading for today. If you are single and actively open na to meet someone, this video might be for you. Comment lang anything if naka-resonate. Thank you.